Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP content channel. Today we are just going to talking about some best-selling low content book niche ideas that sells 12 month very well. So in this video I want to show you uh, 7 KDP low content book niche ideas. So first of all, we go to Amazon KDP Marketplace, and our first niche is our first niche is drivers driver drivers logbook drivers logbook. So here you can see 1000 results only, and this drivers logbook that is very sell very well. Here is 29 review, here is 42 review. So here is 37 review. So driver's logbook sell very well. So if you want to try to work with this book. Second one is self-love journal. Self-love self-love journal. Self-love journal for women, self-love journal for men, self-love journal for girls, self-love journal for man and woman. Everything you can make. So there is the self-love journal 1072. Here self-love journal 822. So here is 15 self-love journal. So there is a lot of sale for self-love journal. So this is also a good niche. Self-love journal, this is also a good niche. And another book is Mind Planner. And another is Mind Planner. Peace of Mind Planner 168 review. Peace of Mind Planner 7637. And here is Peace of Mind Planner 1. Here is Peace of Mind Planner 75. Peace of Mind Planner end of life planning workbook. So here is you can find out end of life planner. So end of life planner. 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 End of life planner 49. Review already. Peace of Mind Planner 70. So already show four different types of niche. And Our fifth niche is wedding planner. Wedding planner. Please wait a little bit. Wedding planner for 62 results only. That is very good niche. So here you can see the budget savvy wedding planner and organizer. There is another title, the budget savvy wedding planner and organizer. Here is 9,692 review and the wedding planner checklist. Also you can wedding planner checklist. There is also review 6,049. Here our sixth bird watching logbook. Bird watching logbook. There is 697 bird watching logbook. Bird watching logbook. There is 38 review already. My bird watching journal 309. So every niche you can get sales. Every niche you can get sales. So our seventh and last KDP low content book is gardening logbook. Gardening logbook. Here is 1,000 results, and there is a new book or will be published. And gardening logbook, there is also a 4 results, and the gardener's logbook there is also a 1,312 review, and there is 167 review, and there is 55 review. There is 1,312 review. So every book have already sold. Every book have already sold. So there is another good niche, gardening log book. So in this video you can get 7 low content KDP book niche. So if you make good book cover and good manuscript with a profitable keyword, then you can get more revenue from this book. So if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell icon when I can share more video, more niche with Amazon KDP self-publishing business. And if you need good quality cover and good quality manuscript, then please contact with me. I can also make good cover and good quality manuscript services provide via Fiverr, Upwork, and also Kwork, or you can contact with me via social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So thank you so much. Thank you all.